Hi everyone, while we were out here by our garden, I wanted to show everyone what we're trying for gardening this year. Last year our South Carolina garden didn't do so well. It's not as easy as some of our northern gardens where you got real good soil. Typically put a little fertilizer and everything grows like crazy. Well, down here some properties are a lot of clay, some are a lot of sand, and there is some that does have some dirt. Ours in particular is almost all sand. So last year we tried to loosen the soil up, loosen the sand up, and tried to plant. None of our tomato plants worked that way. We had a couple little planter boxes that the former owners had that they grew some spices. We put some tomatoes in them and they grew great. So this year what we're trying, take a look, what we did is we actually dug 3 trenches. We only went about 6 to 8 inches deep, and then we filled them with, well, right here, garden soil. We filled them with garden soil, and then we put some lime in with them and put the plant a little more lime on top, and I think Mr. Jan called it sweetening the soil is what they call that. So, and then of course we watered them real good. We put down our mat, cut our holes in for watering, and we're trying to prevent the weeds, and I'm going to show you right here so you can see. That's how wide our trench was. We only made it the width of a shovel. That's actually underneath there. So let me go ahead and pull this back. Okay, so that's what we did, and you can see everything seems to be doing pretty good for the most part. They've only been in now for about a week. So that's kind of where we are right now, and we'll do some updates, let you know how this goes. And I've asked a lot of the locals, and they said it's not as easy in South Carolina to garden. So a lot of them used raised beds down here. So that's another thing you can consider. And I'll do a different one on some possible raised beds later on. All right, thanks.